Welcome to Tech Solution.
How to set up WAVLINK router to AP mode. Hardware connections. Connect the WAVLINK router's WAN port to the LAN port of your primary router/modem via an Ethernet cable. Plug the power adapter to a socket. Power on the WAVLINK router. Connect to your WAVLINK router via its Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Setup steps. 1. Connect your WAVLINK router via its Wi-Fi signal WAVLINK XXXX or an Ethernet cable. 2. Launch Chrome and enter the default login URL http://192.168.10.1 or http://wavlogin.link in the URL bar, not search bar. 3. Enter the login password you have set and click Login. The original login password is admin by default if it has not been changed. 4. Click Wizard and choose LAN Bridge, AP. 5. Set specified Wi-Fi SSID and password, click Apply. 6. After configuration, please reconnect the Wi-Fi SSID you set. Case 2. If there is no AP mode option with your WAVLINK router, here are the instructions for you. Then you can set the LAN IP address of your WAVLINK router to 192.168.19.2. Log into the web management page of your main router to confirm the LAN IP and DHCP range of the main router. Assume that the LAN IP address of the main router is 192.168.19.1. Log into the web-based management page of the WAVLINK router. Go to LAN Setup to change the LAN IP of your WAVLINK router to 192.168.19.2. Make sure the segment of your WAVLINK is same as the main router's. Then disable the DHCP server of your WAVLINK router as below image shows. Connect the WAVLINK router to your main router from LAN port to LAN port via an Ethernet cable. Thanks for watching.